What if I told you there is an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but actually thinks, plans, executes tasks, controls tools, builds things, and makes decisions, almost like a digital human? This is Manus AI, not a chatbot, not just another assistant, but a full autonomous AI agent designed to act, not just talk. Today, I'm breaking down everything about Manus AI, where it came from, who owns it, what makes it different, its real superpowers, what it can already do, and why Manus might be the future of work, software, and intelligence itself. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Manus AI is one of the most dangerous, exciting, and powerful AI agents ever built. Let's begin. Manus AI is an autonomous AI agent. That means it doesn't just wait for instructions like write code, answer a question. Instead, it can understand a goal, break it into steps, choose the right tools, execute tasks independently, evaluate results, and improve its own process. In simple terms, Manus doesn't just respond, it acts. You give it a mission, not a command. Example, build me a SaaS MVP for freelancers. Manus doesn't panic. It will plan the architecture, decide the tech stack, write back-end logic, design front-end UI, set up deployment, test the system. That's not a chatbot. That's an AI worker. Building construction. Origin of Manus AI. The name Manus comes from Latin, meaning hand, as in the hand that executes ideas. Manus was born from a new AI philosophy. AI should not just think, it should do. Traditional AI models, answer prompts, stop there. Manus was designed to take ownership of tasks, operate across systems, handle complex workflows, replace entire tool chains. It emerged from the AI agents movement, the same wave that produced AutoGPT, Baby AGI, Devon AI. But Manus goes far beyond those. Originally, Manus AI was developed and owned by a private startup called Butterfly Effect PT Limited, a company founded by Xiao Hong, CEO, with key leadership including co-founder and chief scientist Ji Chao. Butterfly Effect is the primary developer behind the Manus autonomous AI agent and had roots in China before relocating the business to Singapore. The project launched publicly in March 2025 under this ownership. In late 2025, Meta Platforms, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Meta AI, announced it acquired Manus. The acquisition was announced in December 2025 and reported to be valued between $2 billion and $3 billion, making it one of Meta's largest AI-related purchases. Manus was officially brought into Meta's AI strategy, with the existing team and products continuing to operate while also being integrated into Meta's broader AI ecosystem. Ownership after the acquisition. After this deal, Meta Platforms Incorporated now owns Manus AI, and there are no continuing Chinese ownership interests in the company according to official statements, as Meta plans to wind down Chinese operations and sever direct ties. Manus continues to be headquartered in Singapore and run its service, but its ultimate corporate owner is Meta. How Manus AI actually works. Let's break this down simply. Manus AI has 4 core layers. Keycap 1. Goal understanding. You don't give Manus tiny instructions, you give it a goal. Example, create an e-commerce platform for digital products. Manus understands the intent, extracts constraints, defines success conditions. Keycap 2. Planning engine. Manus then creates a task graph. It asks internally, what must be done first? What depends on what? What tools do I need? This is real reasoning, not prompt guessing. Keycap 3. Tool control. This is where Manus becomes dangerous. It can control code editors, browsers, APIs, databases, cloud services, files, terminals. It doesn't suggest actions. It performs them. Manus AI superpowers. Now let's talk about what makes Manus insane. Keycap 4. Feedback self-improvement. Manus checks results, detects failures, adjusts strategy, reruns tasks. This loop makes it adaptive, not static. Superpower number 1. Full autonomy. Manus can run without human supervision. Once started, it works continuously, handles errors, makes decisions, completes missions end-to-end. This is something 99% of AI tools cannot do. Superpower number 2, Software Engineering God Mode. Manus can design system architecture, write back-end APIs, build front-end interfaces, connect databases, deploy to cloud, debug production errors. It doesn't just write snippets. It builds real software. Superpower number 3, Business Strategy Thinking. Manus understands markets, users, monetization, funnels, scaling. You can ask, analyze competitors, and propose a business model. Manus will research, compare, calculate risks, propose strategies. Superpower number 4, Multi-agent collaboration. Manus can spawn subagents. One agent codes, another designs UI, another writes documentation, another tests. This is AI teamwork. Superpower number 5, Long-term memory context. Unlike normal chatbots, Manus remembers long workflows, maintains context across tasks, tracks project state. It doesn't forget after a few messages. What can Manus AI do today? Here are real-world use cases: startups, build MVPs, launch products, validate ideas, set up infrastructure, office building companies, automate operations, generate reports, manage data pipelines, replace repetitive roles, man technologist developers, code entire projects, debug complex systems, write tests, optimize performance, chart increasing marketing sales, create funnels, generate content, run campaigns, analyze performance, research, run experiments, analyze papers, generate hypotheses, simulate outcomes. Why Manus AI is controversial? Manus scares people. Why? Because it replaces roles, not tasks. It reduces human dependency. It accelerates output massively. The question is no longer, can AI help us? It's now, what happens when AI can work alone? The future of Manus AI, 1930 to 2030. Manus is not the end. It's the beginning of autonomous intelligence. In the future, Manus-like agents will run companies, build platforms, manage economies, coordinate other AIs. The human role shifts from doer-director, and Manus? It becomes the ultimate executor. Final message: Manus AI is not hype. It is powerful, autonomous, scalable, dangerous, revolutionary. If you understand Manus today, you understand the future of work.